I've been racking my brain over the last weekend trying to figure out what to blog about. I got nothing. Max, what should I talk about today? Hey Alexa, what should I blog about today?
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I greatly appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers, welcome back returning subscribers. For those that don't know me, my name is Dawn, aka Irish Bob's sister. And while racking my brain to figure out what to do this week, I realized that I've never properly introduced you to my motorcycle. So, without further ado, let me introduce you to Iontach, which is Irish. And it means excellence, I think. I'll have to research that. Hold please. Iontach is Irish, and that means great. She is a 2018 Harley-Davidson Heritage, the 115th anniversary edition. I have added the engine guard. I've replaced the mirrors and levers. Also added last winter were the full system of Bassani exhaust and the Vance & Hines FP3 tuner. They have put on heated grips for me in the service department, which have come in super handy considering that we live up here in northern New York. And she is just a joy to ride. Nothing coming to mind. Running late. We'll have to go straight to work. I'm wearing new boots because my old boots finally gave up the ghost. After, 2013, almost 8 years, right? Good service. Technically, I guess I could have had them repaired because it was just the zipper on the side that was pulling loose. So I could have had somebody put in a new zipper. I shouldn't have thrown them away. Well, recycled them. But that's our culture today, isn't it? We tend to just chuck it. Because it's easier just to buy a new pair of boots, a new printer, a new car, get a new boyfriend, girlfriend, rather than try and repair the relationship, rather than try and repair what's broken. So I guess what I'm talking about basically boils down to cancel culture. It's broke, cancel it, get rid of it, get something new. Relationship's broke, cancel it, get something new. And I'm not saying you shouldn't, step out of a toxic relationship. But let's say you got a new bike this year and you wanted to put a stage 1 kit on it. And those parts were back ordered because everybody is facing the same thing, which is a shortage of employees and a shortage of supplies. So when they come in a few months later, and then you go to book the appointment to get your stage 1 kit installed, only to find out that it's another month before you can get your bike in. So I understand that that's disappointing for a lot of people. I absolutely am not saying that you shouldn't be upset. All I am suggesting is that you look at the long term at what that cancel culture society gives us. Fine, I'll do the work on myself. Okay, you absolutely have that right. Because you don't want to wait. You want to get in your riding season. Let's not forget that you've got a perfectly good bike right there. It just does not have a stage 1 kit on there. So absolutely, you could ride your bike, enjoy the rest of the riding season, because up here where we live, it typically ends at October. By the end of October is generally when my bike is up, so there's at least another 2 good months of riding. Fingers crossed. Did you see that? Fingers crossed. But then to turn around and go, well, that's it, I'm done. I'm never going to step back in that dealership again. I'm never going to step back in that store again. Okay. What does that get you in the long run, though? All that negative emotions, and now you're separating yourself from life, really. Instead of taking the time to talk it through, to work it through, that's it, I'm done. For me personally, I cannot live like that. I cannot just end a situation. I will talk to the people. I will try to establish what is going on. Through communication, we can discover more about each other, learn more about each other, be kind in the process, which is only beneficial to our heart and our health. So I guess this video about nothing really turned out to be about nothing. Canceling. Now I wish I wasn't so far from home. I could go back and rescue my boots. So if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, then you gotta hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload new content, then you know the drill. You gotta hit that bell. And until next time, guys, new videos every Tuesday. Please be safe, be kind to one another, ride when you can, and have fun.